Hello, today I'm in Lexus UX. In this video I'll show you how to manage navigation control panel. In the beginning, take a look in the center of the car. Right here we've got this control panel. Slide through it to navigate through the screen display. Press home button to go to home page, menu button to go to menu, back button to go back, and press this button to enter special settings. Now take a look at the screen display. To enter any menu, press the navigation control panel twice. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.